Yo, what's up, Truly? Yo, everybody from YouTube, thanks for watching this. Like, comment, subscribe. So, this video goes out to this bum-ass nigga called Truly Act Scary. The nigga who probably lives in his mom's house in the basement, weighing over like 500 pounds, got like 1,000 cats fucking roaming him, still got the cap car over like 100 years, and the only thing he could do is boot people off to make him feel overpowered on Gears of War 3. So he says, I'm 30, I'm 24. How you doing, guys? Yeah, I'm 24 years old. He said, I'm a security guard. How you doing, sir? I'm a security guard. I get $18.50 an hour. Help me pay my bill. He said, I'm too old to move in with roommates. How the hell are you too old to move in with roommates? I have a nice house. We got 3 cars. How the fuck am I living bad right now? I don't get it how I'm abusing the government. I really don't get it. Your whole video is irrelevant. Everybody's cutting your ass in your own video. Please, my nigga, stop embarrassing yourself. Now, another thing. We all know you gay. Just come out the closet already. We all know you're a faggot. Like, you was flirting with Truly Eye Candy. Truly Eye Candy is a male. That's one. You got mad that he kicked you out. Oh my god, he kicked you out of the party and you uploading, exposing every Truly member. You butthurt because the guy you got a crush on booted you off. He kicked you out of the party. Why? Why are you so mad? You told them, yo, why you cheating on me with another guy? Oh my god. Are you coming out of the closet, Scary? Everybody put you up on YouTube getting the meat. I uploaded you twice in the 1v. Your host, my host. You lost while I was drinking, intoxicated, and you there sweating your ass off, and you lost. So you hit me up, begging me like a little girl. Yo, Blush, yo, let's do a 1v. Blush, let's do a 1v. Blush. Like, my nigga, why you on my dick? Like, you wanted to be on my dick so bad, you begged me to do a 1v. Well, I'm here just joking, talking shit to Miguel, and then you beat me, and then upload it. Like, are you mad, bro? Are you mad? The whole video was basically about me. You put my picture, my face, all close, look at that, all close and shit. Like, nigga, you must be gay that you like having a bunch of men in a video, because there's a bunch of men in the video just looking at them. I can't believe you saved all those pictures. Like, god damn, son, you saved those pictures on your fucking iPhone or your fucking Boost, whatever fucking phone you got, my nigga. That's sad. That's depressing. You got makeup, you got lipstick with glasses on, with a fucking wig in your kick picture. Like, my nigga, who you trying to be? Like, what the fuck? Who the hell are you trying to copy? That look is so ugly, bro. Like, I don't get it. Like, you look like a fucking clown. You like Krusty the Clown, bro. Stop it. You're embarrassing yourself. Stop coming at my team's ass. Like, I have a job. I got a life. I got a house. Where are you? In your mom's basement, weighing like 350 pounds with makeup on. Probably got little dolls there talking to the bitch. Like, Bless is such a bully. Yeah, I know he is. Like, you fucking retarded. You're a psycho, you mental. We all know you gay now. So this is a video exposing you. You're a faggot. We got proof. You're gay. It's okay. There's a lot of people out here that came out of the closet.